Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Quaker oatmeal. Let's start with the basics for a perfect bowl every time. For a single serving, combine 1/2 cup of Quaker oats with 1 cup of water or milk. You can use either a microwave-safe bowl or a small saucepan. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your preferred consistency, whether you like it thick or a bit thinner. Adding just a small pinch of salt really helps to bring out the natural, wholesome flavor of the oats. Now let's talk about cooking methods. If you're using a microwave, cook on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, making sure to stir it halfway through. For a stovetop approach, bring your mixture to a boil over medium heat, then reduce and simmer for approximately 5 minutes, stirring frequently until it reaches your desired thickness. Regardless of your method, letting the oatmeal stand for 2 minutes after cooking helps it set perfectly. Always use a larger container to avoid any messy boilovers. Once your oatmeal is cooked, it's time for the fun part: toppings. You can really customize your bowl to your liking. Try adding fresh fruit such as juicy berries or perfectly sliced bananas for a natural sweetness. For a richer taste, stir in a tablespoon of brown sugar or a drizzle of maple syrup. If you're looking for some texture, nuts or seeds offer a satisfying crunch and healthy fats. And for a warm, inviting aroma, a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg works wonders. Quaker oatmeal is more than just a simple meal. It's a fantastic way to start your day. It provides sustained energy, helping you power through your morning activities without that mid-morning slump. Plus, it's a good source of dietary fiber, which is great for your digestive health. It's also incredibly cost-effective, making it a smart choice for any budget. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious and healthy homemade oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.